So you agree with Raila?
Regarding changing the constitution?
Yes.
Absolutely. But I don't agree with these issues. We agree in principle that the constitution should be changed. My issues are different. My issues are, let's change this constitution and create the position of Prime Minister, but that this particular position should not be the same as the one of Raila occupied. It should be a position that is more diluted. Rwanda has it, Uganda has it, Tanzania has it, everybody has it.
So this does what?
The idea of our Prime Minister's position is that it forces the coalition to move, any coalition, to move from 2 communities, Kikuyu and Kalenjin, to 5 communities. Like for instance, if you have a Kikuyu, Kalenjin, you have a Kamba, you have a Pokomo, and someone from another area from the east, and then you have a similar number of people on this side. These are 10 communities that will be vying for positions of power. If you do so, then the possibility is that you're working on 25% of the entire country being included one or the other in this particular contest. And then not only 2 communities, the Kikuyu and the Kalenjin, or the Luo and the Kamba, or whatever the constellations would be. So my thinking is that the constitution needs to be changed, and it needs to be changed to include exactly this particular.
So it will bring about more inclusive politics, an inclusive way of running business.
Absolutely. It is the only way we can beat the tyranny of numbers.